What is your name?
Myself, Dr. Namita Sanu, and I am studying in BSS Medical College, Pune.
Um, PSS Medical College, Bulla.
Yeah,
And you belong to which place?
I belong to Raurkela.
Rourkela. So, what are you studying now?
I have completed my MBBS examination and I had also qualified the specialist exam, and now I am going for counseling Delhi.
So now you are going to Delhi to
Yeah,
appear some
after the counseling.
counseling.
Yeah,
Um, so, what is your goal in life?
just to make my parents proud of their daughter
Okay.
and to achieve a good qualitative life.
So, at present, can you say something about our health condition of society?
um, Society, I have not seen society till now as because of my age. At this teenage, as much I have seen, it's quite poor, and I have seen in my hospital, there are very poor people in very poor condition. They are coming in the last stage, and I think if they have come in the earlier stage, they could have done better for their good health.
Still, in compared to the previous decade, some improvement is
Yeah,
there.
some
Huh? Some
improvement is
improvement is
there
there.
because of sanitation. People are getting awareness,
Awareness.
and they are also becoming educated, and the lifetime, their life level, what you call the socio-economic status is also upgrading, and that's why they are quite aware of their health.
But new diseases also coming. New type
New
of disease.
diseases are there, but the most deadly form is the most common communicable diseases which
Correct.
were present in the normal social levels like diarrhea, infections, and if we are able to um, uh, overtake those problems, then I think almost 90% of the common diseases will be over.
In our political scene of country, you
Political
are you are
scene.
you are an adult now. You are exercising your voting right.
Yeah, political, I have no faith till now.
Acha.
But there are also some good politician leaders, but they are not getting that much support because they are surrounded by very bad persons. So if they want to do something, the other people are tracking their legs, and that's why I think those people should communicate like they are, another people like them, and a group of they can do.
As a medical student,
Yeah.
actually, the role of immune power is very much in the in prevention of disease. What do you say?
Obviously.
Because microbes are present everywhere,
Huh.
but if a person's thought process is pure, it is not there is no conflict
Hmm.
in the thoughts. Perhaps I think that the onset of disease will be chances are less. I think.
Yeah, obviously, because there are very uneducated people I have seen, but they are quite smart enough. They know
Correct.
what is sanitation. If you want to tell them, ki, no, in this way you can prevent those disease, in this way you can prevent your child. So they obey that.
Acha.
And I think if those person, even if they are educated, they obey some rules and they obey our advices, then they can go very far away.
There are some diseases like this ulcer, this
Huh.
diabetes, and
Yeah.
some they are related to the thought processes,
Yeah, yeah,
the
yeah.
emotions and
Obviously,
these
cancer.
conflicts,
Most
stress,
deadliest
stress
disease
and
is
strain.
cancer. The predisposing factor is the stress.
Uh,
And there are people coming to us and they are complaining ki in our family nobody has cancer. So how we got that cancer? So we are telling ki your lifestyle is like that, and you have brought up from your child like that. Ki that disease is perpetuating within you since from your childhood, and you are not getting over that.
the role of yoga also is very much
Yeah,
in
it's
controlling disease.
yoga is very good, and I should recommend all the person whenever whether he is a child or adult or pregnant, non-pregnant, everybody should do yoga, and yoga not only good for physical but it's also for mental, and it creates a happiness. a satisfaction in your mind.
Have you read Swami Vivekananda? Some books?
Yeah, I have since from my childhood in our textbooks some Swami Vivekananda poems or prose are there. And we have came across their thoughts and the statements they have given. Even his guru, Swami Ramakrishna Paramahansa. There, Chupani, Niti Bani is there. We have come across those things. I like those persons. And I especially want to see the Kanyakumari where Vivekananda was.
Please visit.
Okay, okay,
It
thank
is a
you.
very, it is like a sacred place, very
Yeah.
sacred place. Three confluence of three seas, Bay of Bengal,
I have
Indian Ocean.
heard about those places many times, but I have not been there till now. I hope I will do in my future.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
I wish all, I pray God to, so that He will bless you
Thank
in
you.
achieving your goals and
Thank you so much.